Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I will show you how to download and install Roblox on Windows 11 in 2026. So the first step is we need to open the Microsoft Store. So we need to download this Roblox from Microsoft Store. So in the Microsoft Store you will find this game. It's you can see here it's Roblox Windows, or if you don't find it in the menu, you can type on the search box in the top. You can type Roblox and this game will appear. You can see here it's a Roblox Windows. You can click, and now in here you can easily to install this game by click on get. But before, you need to see the additional information about this game. I mean about the size and everything you need to know. And finally you can click on get to start the installation of this game. So you need to wait until this game installation is complete. So after installation of this game is complete, you can directly play this game, or you can see on start menu this game is already here installed in your PC, and now you can click play to play this game. And now we already open this game, and to play this game you need to sign in, or if you don't have an account you need to create account before play this game. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it's useful, and see you in another one.